Pool water foaming is super annoying, but you can totally fix it by cutting down on soaps and using the right defoamer. So, first off, try to keep any soaps, detergents, or shampoos far from your pool area because even tiny amounts can cause that annoying foam. If you've got kids or guests who love to splash around with bubbles, remind them to rinse off before jumping in. Next, make sure your pool filter and pump are working well because bad circulation can make foaming worse. When you spot foam, don't freak out. Grab a pool-safe defoamer and add it according to the instructions. It breaks down those bubbles fast. Also, check your water balance, especially pH and alkalinity, because unbalanced water tends to foam more. If you recently added chemicals or cleaning products, wait a bit before swimming to let things settle. Avoid using household soaps or oily sunscreens, which can add to the problem. Lastly, regular maintenance and cleaning of your pool surface and skimmer can help keep foam at bay. One of the biggest mistakes with pool water foaming is ignoring soap and detergent contamination. People don't realize how much everyday stuff from swimsuits or nearby washing can mess with the water. Fix it by setting clear rules about rinsing off and keeping cleaning products away from the pool. Another common issue is overusing defoamers or picking the wrong type. They're not a permanent fix and can upset your pool's chemistry. Use them sparingly and only what's recommended. Lastly, many folks overlook water balance problems like high pH or alkalinity that contribute to foaming. Keep those levels in check with regular testing and adjustments to avoid foam buildup. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for pool care and fixes without the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people who really need their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.